Reggie Oates.
Jesus Arredondo.
And we're the Finance 120 Stock Track Challenge.
Group 11.
Group 11. Basically, we were challenged to take care of a $100,000 stock portfolio. I'm a business major with an emphasis in entrepreneurship.
I'm also a business major with an emphasis in international business.
I'm management,
And
business.
and overall, we really worked well as a team. We were able to manage our portfolio well. We pretty much followed the trends and picked those portfolios that were doing well as far as the beta and the market trends for one.
We really paid attention to, in the long term, we involved ourselves more in high risk stock trades rather than low risk, because we wanted to basically utilize as much time as we could with the amount of money that we had, and we went for high risk stocks in order to get a high return, and we ended up coming out with a really positive return portfolio, and it was in the green for the most part as well too, and we even ended up climbing the ranks from our fellow peers, and we ended up in the top 20. We ranked 19 to be specific, so the high risk and high return definitely paid off in the long run. And we felt overall as a team that even though we had no experience dealing in the stock market and dealing with this type of program, we all felt that we all correlated pretty well together and collaborated as a team in our investments that we made, and it came out to be a really good experience overall, and we felt that this challenge is very, very useful in the way that it allows you to work as a team and to get involved in the stock market and be able to understand the trends that are going on in companies and invest your time and your money wisely. And overall, I feel for myself that this is a very good project to utilize. Anything else you guys want to add?
Reggie?
I like it. It was a good project. Changed my views about marketing.
Yeah, and so we ended up at 7.75 ranked portfolio percentage return, and we profited roughly about almost $8,000.
Mm-hmm. So overall, we got about almost $108,000 return, and we're in the green. And a lot of the companies that we invested into were big companies as well. Some of the companies that we like to highlight was Amazon. Amazon was one of the biggest companies.
The Marriott Old Freight Company.
Marriott and Old Freight
Progress.
Progress Company. A lot of those big companies really pulled through and had some very positive returns in those 2-3 months that we were able to use StockTrack, and it really boosted up our portfolio. And I think if we had a little bit more time, we definitely would have been able to climb the ranks even to the top 10.
Made it easier to take higher risks on a lot of the stocks we picked.
So we focused primarily on high risk for a high return, and the end results were positive.
Yeah. So overall, we as a group, everyone really performed their tasks very well, and we feel that everyone contributed equally, and I was mainly in charge of executing the buying and selling of the stock market, as well as following marketing trends as well that were going on in companies, and Gladys was more of the
creating a watch list, checking out the watch list and the scorecard to better make a decision on what stocks to buy and what stocks to sell.
I did the research, and I kept track of all the transactions, the stocks, the plus, the minuses, and how the stocks were doing from week to week.
And overall, as a team, I think we worked very well, and the outcome was successful, and we're happy with where we stood in the end results, and we're glad that we were able to participate in this semester's Finance 120 Stock Track Market Simulator.
Cherokee.
Yeah.
And we hope that previous groups that follow have the same outcome as well with us and change their view a little bit about the stock market. And we'd like to close the video with thank you for the semester and for your time, and have a good one.
It was a great opportunity. Thank you. I'm going to put my money to work now.
Thank you.